Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove assistive touch button from any iOS device. So let's see how we can remove it. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of important videos. So let's get started. First of all, just open iOS device settings. Click on the search bar and type here accessibility. Now here below you will see accessibility option, so just open it. Now scroll down and find out here assistive touch option. Then open it. After that, disable this option. Now as you can see, our assistive touch home button is removed from our device. So friends, that's the way how you can easily remove this assistive touch on any iPhone. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.